the sky. Up, up in the clouds. The cloud babies are their usual busy selves. They never stop, do they? But in the garden, something sneezy was about to happen.
Hey! Watch my fluffy goats, Bobo.
Sorry, Greenie Babs.
Achoo!
Shoo! Shoo!
Achoo! Oh, what a pretty cloud. I wish I was yellow like that. Maybe we could be friends. Hello, I'm Fufflecloud. What's your name? Do you want to play? I said my name's Fufflecloud. Who are you? Where are you going? That's not very nice. Achoo! 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 That? Achoo! Strange. Why are we all achoo sneezing? Achoo! Oh dear. Maybe I'll find something to help in my toolbox. Achoo! Hey, Baba Blue and Bobo, what do you think of this yellow cloud? Achoo! I've tried talking to it, but it just ignores me. Sorry, Fufflecloud. I'm busy. I need to work out how to stop these sneezes. Achoo! Nope, that won't do. Or that. We need help. Baba Yellow will know what to do. Ah! Hold on tight, Bobo. Hey, you! Come back! Hi, Baba Yellow.
Oh.
Do you know how to get rid of sneezes? Rainbow, achoo, 2.
My stripes, they're ruined.
Don't worry, Rainbow. I can fix them. Just keep still.
Yes, keep still.
Achoo!
Achoo! Achoo! Here, this might help. Hey, they're my friends, not yours. Shoo! Shoo! Shoo!
What's Fuffer doing?
Shoo! Fuffer funny. Shoo!
Oh, pretty cloud.
This yellow cloud may be pretty, but it isn't friendly.
That's not a very nice thing to say, Fuffer.
There's something strange about this cloud. Maybe it's just shy. But... Achoo!
Sorry, Fuffer. Right now, we need to get rid of these sneezes. Baba Pink always knows how to make things better. Come on, let's find her.
That's strange. I've stopped sneezing. How do I look?
Shiny and bright. Perfect.
I knew you'd say that, Baba Pink.
Hi, Baba Pink. Achoo! Do you have a cure for the sneezes?
Oh, I don't like sneezing. Please make it stop.
I'll try.
Achoo!
Watch out, everyone. Sun sneezes are super strong. Achoo! Achoo!
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo! Achoo! Oh dear, we've all got the sneezes now. Maybe Baba Green will have something growing in the sky garden to help us. Come on.
Every time that yellow cloud's here, everyone sneezes.
Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Wow! That's the same colour as the cloud. Maybe you aren't a cloud. You're sneezy flower stuff. I've got to tell the others.
Achoo! Sorry, everyone. I don't know how to get rid of the sneezes either. What are we going to do? Where are all these sneezes coming from?
Listen to me. Listen to me. It's the yellow cloud. It's making us sneeze.
Achoo! That's so mean. Poor yellow cloud.
But it's true.
Fluffer cloud.
Okay? I'll prove it. Watch this.
Achoo!
Achoo! See?
Wow! Wow! Achoo!
Achoo!
Ah, I think I know what's going on.
Achoo!
My fluffy gold flowers are full of yellow stuff called pollen. Huh? Pollen? Yes. If the pollen gets out, it makes your nose tickle so that you sneeze. A lot.
So it's not a cloud.
Not a real one. No.
I knew there was something funny about it.
Sorry, Fluffer Cloud. You were right after all.
That's okay. Achoo! Fluffer sneezy.
Achoo!
So, how do we get rid of this achoo! Sneezes.
What we really need is a strong wind to blow the pollen cloud away.
I can blow it away. Go on, Fluffer Cloud. Big, deep breath. It's no use. I haven't got enough puff to blow it away. Hooray!
The pollen cloud's gone. And our sneezes. We sneezed it away. Well done, Fluffer Cloud. Fluffer clever. Yes. Well done, Fluffer.
High in the sky, up in the clouds, the pollen cloud had been blown away. Well, almost. High in the sky, up in the clouds, Baba Green is herding rain clouds.
This way. No, this way.
Or at least trying to.
No, not that way. That's it. Come and cloud bounce with us when you finish, Baba Green.
Hey, come back, Clouds. Whoa!
Funny, Greenie Babs.
Shh, Bubble White. It's not funny.
Bobo bouncing. Whee! Cloud bouncy. Bouncy too?
No, I can't.
No bouncy?
I'm too busy.
Oh. Bobo go bouncy now.
Come on.
Woohoo! Yay!
Oh!
Whee! Woohoo! I'm as high as the stars.
Nice bouncing, Baba Yellow.
I can bounce the highest. Look! Woo!
Ooh, great, Baba
Whee!
Pig.
Bobo bouncy!
Oh, well done.
Whoa! Whee! Woo! Yay! Whee! Whee! Bouncy Bobo!
Yes! Bouncy Bobo!
They're having such fun. I wish I could bounce like them.
Whee! Okay, who's the best cloud bouncer? Rainbow, Sun, you choose.
All right. Well,
Whee!
what do you think?
Way! Whee! Woo! Yay! Bobo bounce!
We can't decide because you're not all here. What about Baba Green?
Oh, yes! I'll go and get him.
Rainbow and Sun are picking the best bouncer. Come and bounce with us, Baba Green.
No, I don't want to.
Why?
Cloud bouncing is, silly.
Oh, okay then.
Ow, Green Horsey. Do you think I could? What? With a little practice? Do you really think I could? Okay. I think it goes something like this. Oh no, that's not right. Maybe if I try. Oof. I just can't do it. I can't bounce.
Hello, Baba Green. What are you doing? Are you okay?
Yes, thank you.
That's good. Now, come cloud bouncing with us. But it's so much fun. Please come and play.
I can't.
Why not?
I need the right cloud to bounce on. It has to be perfect.
Then let's go and find the perfect cloud. Baba Green's going to do the perfect bounce on the perfect cloud.
This one, Peppa Green. Woohoo! Come and try.
Oh,
Come on, Peppa Green.
It's not fluffy enough.
Hey?
This cloud's nice and fluffy.
It needs to be bouncier.
Whee! Woo! This bouncy. Woohoo! Well done, Bobo White. I think you found the perfect cloud.
No. No. It needs to be white. That one's a bit grey.
OK, so the cloud needs to be all white. Is that right?
Yes.
All white, yes. Fluffy and bouncy. It's this cloud. We had the perfect cloud all along. Yay! Whee!
Come on, Peppa Green. Come and bounce on our perfect cloud. Then we'll see who really is the best bouncer.
OK, Peppa Green. 3, 2, 1,
I
bounce!
can't. I'll look silly.
Just give it a try. You won't look silly. It's easy.
No, I don't think I can.
Try, Greenie Bobs. Whee!
Help!
Catch Bobo! Hooray!
Phew. Are you okay, Bobo?
Thanks, Greenie Bobs.
Nice bouncing, Peppa Green. That's what I call bouncy.
Hey, I can bounce.
Try it again.
Whoa! Hey!
So, who's the best cloud bouncer then?
The best cloud bouncer is Peppa Green.
That's me!
High in the sky, up in the clouds, Peppa Green was happy he could finally cloud bounce. Now, how do we get him to stop?
Who polishes the snow? Wipes the cobwebs from the moon. Who tells the bedtime stories to the stars? Who paints the colours on the rainbow and makes everything look new? Who looks after the sky? The Cloudbabies do.
High in the sky, up in the clouds. No one's better at playing hide-and-seek than Fuffer Cloud.
You'll never find me.
7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here we come! Can anybody find me? Where am I? All alone in the big blue sky. right, Fuffer?
Yes, I'm playing a game.
What kind of game?
Hide and seek. I was singing my hide and seek song.
Well, you sounded like you were lost. Hello, son. Have you seen Fuffer Cloud? We play hidey-seeky.
That's my favourite game too. No, I haven't seen Fuffer. Have you looked near the Cloudy House?
To the Cloudy House! Thank you, son.
Can anybody find me? Where am I? All alone in the big blue sky.
Here, Fuffer. Let's look in the orchard again.
Can anybody find me? Where am I? All alone in the big blue sky.
Fuffer, are you all right?
It's okay, Baba Yellow. I'm only playing.
Well, you tricked me. You sounded like you were lost or something.
I was just singing my hide and seek song.
Hello, Rainbow. Have you seen Fuffer Cloud? We're playing hide and seek.
Oh, I never hide. I like everyone to see how beautiful my colours are. Try looking in the horsey hay field.
Thanks, Rainbow. Thank you.
Can anybody find me? Where am I? Fuffer, are you okay? Don't worry, we're coming. Oh, oof. Look at you. You're all covered in horsey hay. We thought you were in trouble. I was just singing my hide and seek song.
Fuffer, where are you? Fuffer.
Uh-oh. Better be going. Bye.
Have you seen Fuffer Cloud?
We could give you a little clue.
Thank you. Fuffer! Fuffer!
Can anybody find me? Where am I? All alone in the big blue sky. Oops, sorry. Wah! Ow! Ow! Careful. Oh dear. Maybe this way. Oh. Can anybody find me? Where am I? All alone in the big blue sky. Help! I'm lost.
Fuffer!
Oh, is Fuffer Cloud all right?
Yes, she's playing hide and seek.
Over here! There's Fuffer again.
Fuffer's still playing hide and seek.
Help. Please help. No one can find me. Where am I? All alone in the big blue sky.
Fuffer! Fuffer! Where are you?
Here! Here!
Where's here? We can't see you, but we can hear you.
I can hear you too!
Oh!
Papa! Thank you! Thank you! I really was lost! Okay, now how do we get out? Uh-oh.
I'm not sure. Help!
That sounds like Little Star and Bobo. We're coming!
We're on our way! Sounds like they're over there. Come on, follow me.
Look, what's that twinkling in the clouds? Over there.
Yes, it's Little Star.
Help!
Cloudy Bumps!
Yay! You found us. You found us.
We were so lost.
Thank you. What were you all doing in these big, thick clouds anyway? Finding Fuffa.
I was really lost. I couldn't find my way out.
Then we tried to help.
Come on, let's get you all home. Anyone know the way?
We would have come to look for you earlier, but we thought you were still playing.
I'm sorry. I won't play tricks anymore. Ever.
Actually, the Cloudbabies know Fuffa will always play tricks, but they'll be there to help her and everyone else if they get stuck.